Hello, this is Ray with Online Wealth, and I want to welcome you back to another module of the Freedom Funnel, and we're building our Freedom Funnel. So in this module, we're gonna start putting everything together. So first of all, we have to build our landing page, and if you want to do this without a website, I'm going to show you how to do it without a website. So I don't know how long this video is going to be on. I hope it's not going to be too long, but you know, there's a lot of things that we have to go through, and for those of you that don't have a website, I just want to show you how to do it without a website. So those of you that do have a website, it'll be easier for you to do it with the website by watching me doing it without a website. I hope that makes sense. Anyway, all right, so let's get started. Okay, well, I decided to go with the custom keto diet thing that I found on Clickbank. Now, the first thing I want to make sure that you do have is a Clickbank account. If you don't have a Clickbank account, all you got to do is go to clickbank.com and sign up for a free account. Okay, because what you're looking for is your Clickbank ID. It doesn't cost you anything, so just do it, and you'll have all these other products that you can promote in the future after you get this one under your belt and you see some success with it. Then you could do something else, right? Doesn't that sound, have multiple streams of income? That's the best way. But anyway, I chose this because number one, it's got a reoccurring billing of $20.80, and it's a low to entry program, so it only costs $47 on the upfront, and you're going to get $26 that you can get off the sales from the upfront and the recurring, so you can take that money and put it back into your traffic or building up your business. Okay, so this is the most important thing, is you want to remember that is to build up your business, because this is going to start off slow, like a little snowball that's going down a hill. You got to keep pushing it, and all of a sudden it gets so big it's going to go all the way down the hill by itself. So anyway, so that's why I chose this. So once you have your Clickbank ID, okay, so you're going to go, and all you got to do is come here and search in the health and fitness and click on the gravity, and then come down, you're going to see the keto diet. So what you need to do now is get your Clickbank ID or your Clickbank link. Now you can do that if you come here to the affiliate pages. And if I right mouse click on the affiliate pages here it says landing pages, right? And when you click on it, it says download the sales page. So all this is really is a website that you can, if you have a hosting account, you can upload this to your hosting account and host the website yourself. Why would you want to do that if they already have a website built? Doesn't make any sense to me. But what does make sense here is the lead magnet, because this is the most important piece of the puzzle. This is what's going to get people to opt in to your system, is having a lead magnet, something that you're going to give away for free. Okay, so you want to download this cookbook here, and I already did that. And let me go here, and it's called Deliciously Easy Keto Recipes. So if you double click on that, you're going to come up to here. And this is what you are giving away, right? It's recipes, it's for the keto diet, and it's something that people will opt in for. But the thing about it is, you don't want to put a flat picture on this page like this. You don't want this picture on this. You want a book-looking picture. You want something that looks like this. Okay? So I created this myself. So I'm going to put a link to the picture down below if you want to have this picture. That way you can use it in your landing page that I'm going to show you how to build right now. So we're going to do everything into GetResponse. So if you haven't got your GetResponse account yet and it's all set up, then what I need you to do is I need you to go back up into the previous lesson, and I need you to click on the link to join GetResponse, so that you can have your autoresponder all set up. You need an autoresponder. You got to have it. You might as well just go ahead. It's 30 days for free, totally free. So just sign up for a free account. If you already have a GetResponse account, great. Or if you have any other kind of autoresponder, great. You don't have to use GetResponse. If you have Aweber, fine. If you have MailChimp, whatever you have is fine. But I'm using GetResponse for people that don't have a autoresponder yet, and they can get this totally free. Just click on that link up there and you get it free for 30 days. Okay, so we're going to use this. But before we can do this, we need to create our landing page. And if you don't have a website or a website builder, how are you going to build a landing page? Well, it's very simple. We're going to use a free tool, and it's called Canva.com. I already have a free account. Of course, it's free to join Canva. If you don't have an account, just click on the sign up for free button and you're going to get a free account for Canva, okay? And then what you're going to do is you're going to want to create a design. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on create design, and then you're going to go down to custom size right here, and you're going to put in for the width, I'm going to put in 800, and then for the height I'm going to put in 500, say, and then we're going to create the design. Okay, so this is going to be your squeeze page here. Okay, so first thing I want to do is I want to upload the book picture, right? So I'm going to go here to my uploads, and I'm going to click on upload media from my thing here, and click on my book image right there. Okay, now that the book image is done, I'm going to click it over here. You're going to do that. So you got a picture, okay? So we could even put it, I think it should be over here, okay? And so you can put everything in there. It's going to be nice and straight. Okay, so now we need to make space. So this is where we're going to put our opt-in, okay? So we need a title up here. So we're going to click on the text. We're going to put in a heading text, and I'm going to change this to, I couldn't find Arial, so I picked Arsenal, okay? And you just don't want that Sands, a row of sands or whatever it's called over there. So now we got to find a headline, right? So what's the best place to find a headline? The best place to find a headline is actually the sales page. So if I go over here, I'm going to click onto the sales page. What you're going to do here is you're going to click on create your links. Okay, so I want to go here to the sales page, right? And right here on the sales page, would you like to know, and this is, you know, they poke the pain and then they give you the pleasure, right? So would you like to know exactly what to do? Would you like to know exactly what to eat to lose fat and get healthy without giving up your favorite foods or starving yourself? Okay, great headline, right? So all I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this headline, and I'm going to come over here to my thing, and I'm going to just punch it in here. Okay, and as you can see, it's a little too big. The headline's a little too big. So what we want to do, we want to highlight the headline here. Let me put myself back over here, and we're going to make it smaller. Maybe make it so that it's all over there. And so what I would like to do to begin with here is we could just bold this. Okay, let's see what it looks like in the middle. No, don't like it in the middle. Okay, so we got it bolded, and then what we would want to do is, so would you like to know, maybe we can put some parentheses there. Okay, now thank you. I had to work on this a little bit, but up here I put, you know, what they were going to get your free keto recipe book, and then I used the title. Now again, using the customer's landing page, okay, this was the title that I took. Okay, this has the best, you know, how-to statement. You know, would you like to know exactly how to, and the pain point, eat to lose fat, and then the pleasure point, and get healthy without giving up your favorite foods. Okay, that is a perfect statement. And if you look here in the welcome page, they're going to tell you that we have personally spent tens of thousands of dollars to split test and optimizing our sales funnel so you get the very best conversions for your traffic. And this is why it's so good to use their stuff. So I use their headline to put into this right here. So this is going to be my opt-in page. Maybe move that over a little bit. Okay. Now what you want to do is you want to download this. So you click here to download and a PNG, which is going to be a high definition download. And you download it on your computer wherever you want to. Let me see where it's going to put it here. Okay, so it's going to put it right in there. Okay, so I'm going to say save it. Okay, so now we got the image. Okay, so I can get out of here and we can go back to get response. Okay, and I was going here to the menu. We want to create a form. Okay, and I'm going to create the form. Now it's going to come up with this wizard, right? So I'm just going to click here, free download. And let me see here. Okay, basically I just want a blank, kind of a blanky one. Okay, now in the previous lesson you set up, I hope you set up your list. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to settings here. And for the form name, I like to put keto recipe. And then you want to choose your list. And I'm going to click an old list here that I had. I'm going to click an old list that I had here, Paleo Free Report. Okay. And it's going to be on the first day. And now we're not going to worry about these pages right now. I'll show you what to do with those on the next module. So we're going to save that. Okay. Now what we want to do now is we want to widen this out a little bit, right? And on this background here, we're going to use a image. And so we're going to click on this image here. Now what we want to do is want to upload the image. So you say add files. You want to go to your images here. And this is the image that we want right here. So I'm going to just bring this down here and drag the file right there so it uploads it. I'm going to say add the image. And as you can see, the image has loaded right there. So you click on the image. And so what we want to do now is we want to put it in the middle. We want to click on no repeat. And then we're going to resize it here. Just like that. Okay, and then you can... Okay, so now we got the image here and everything. We can take this and we can delete that. And we're going to take this. And we're going to take this, we're going to bring it over here like this. So I'll drag and drop, and we're going to just move this a little bit like that so it's kind of like in the middle. Okay, so now you want to get the headline here. Let me just bring this up a little bit. Put myself right there. And we're going to add a field, we're going to add text. So we can bring this over here like this. And so then we're going to delete the text. And the text we're going to write, enter your best DT. Okay, people, after finagling for a little bit, I finally got the thing. Now, what you might want to do here is that you got to unlock this if you want to edit. So you just click on this right here, and you see where the colors are. So if you click on that, I already got the code for the color that I want. So if I put the code in there, that's the color that I want right there. I'm going to say OK. Hover color. I'm going to put red, say. Okay. And then I don't want the borders actually. So if you just come over here and you click 0, then you get rid of all the borders. Okay, so that's a landing page. That's what the landing page looks like. And if I take this and I preview it, this is what it's going to look like when people go to your landing page, okay? It's just a clean page, and it's straight to the point. It's poking at their pain, giving them the pleasure, poking their pain. How would you like to know exactly what to eat without giving up your favorite foods? That's the pleasure right there. The pain is, you know, they got to give up something to lose weight, right? All right, and then you're going to get this recipe book. So this is a perfect landing page, and GetResponse is hosting it for you. So once this is done right here, what you want to do next is you want to make sure that it looks good in mobile. So you click on this right here. As you can see, it looks all jarbled up, right? So what we're going to do here is we're going to just take this. What we're going to do is we're going to double click on that, and we're going to go to the background, okay? And this is the image for the background. So what we're going to do is we're going to resize this image. Okay, so it looks good right there. And then we're going to take this right here. That looks good. Maybe I'd want to make that a little smaller, the font size. So let's get the font size a little bit smaller. And then we can leave this like this. It's like this. Like this. Okay, that's what it's going to look like in mobile. So you can save it. And that's what it's going to look like on desktop. Look at mobile one more time. Okay, looks good on the desktop. Let's look at mobile one more time. Let's see, preview it in mobile maybe. No, it won't. Yep, previews in mobile. So this is what it looks like in mobile, right? Okay, so we're looking good there. Everything looks good. And so what we're going to do is we're going to publish this. And what you're going to do, since you're going to have GetResponse host this, is you're going to GetResponse is going to host this for me, and then you are going to copy this link right here, and that's the link, and I would put it here in a notepad. So you just paste it in the notepad. So that's your link to your landing page. Okay, so your landing page, once they fill out these details and click I want the recipe book, they're going to go right into your autoresponder. So now you want to be able to give them this ebook. So in the next module, I'm going to show you how to connect everything here so that they instantly get your ebook, and you also give them a thank you page. And so in the next module, I'm going to show you how to create your thank you page. So when they click on this, when they put in their email and their name and they click on this, they're going to go to your thank you page, which is going to give them directions on how to get this ebook. Okay, so I'll show you how to do that in the next module. Hey, if you like the content that I'm putting on this channel, please support me by going down there, subscribing to the channel, and clicking the icon bell so you are notified every time I come out with the next module. See you then.